Hello everyone, I'm back again with this video of Tplink Omada 300 Mbps. It's a wireless outdoor access point. I'm going to show you how you can hard reset this if the configurations you don't remember the password of it, or you want to change the username of Wi-Fi when you're broadcasting it. And this access point can be used on an open space, indoor, like in apartments, in the building, business buildings, or where you can use it. So I'm unboxing it. As you can see, I'm fixing the antennas on top. Firstly, this access point can provide internet through 360 degrees on each side, so where you put it, everywhere they will get internet. Though it's a single band, that's what I can tell you on this access point. It's a single band, so those phones which are the latest, they may not get internet very well. It provides internet up to 100 meters. So this is a power jack, this is a cable that comes with this in one package. This is a butterfly cable which you will put and insert in. As you can see, you connect it like this, then put it into power. Then here you put one. On the LAN cable you put it into the PC if you want to configure it. Then PoE port, it's where you put the internet cable from the PoE port to the access point. As you can see, it's already connected with the RJ45. If you don't know how to clip the RJ45, I will make another video and show you how you can do that, and becomes perfect for you. As you can see from the PoE port, you open that lid, it's always there covered to protect water from entering, because it's an outdoor access point. You put it in the PoE port on the power PoE injector, then you put power. You see, it's now receiving power. When it receives power and receiving internet, it normally lights green when it's stable. So after stabilizing, it lights green from orange. This is the cover behind which helps you on mounting it on the wall, on the pipe where you would like, and it comes with cable ties and the nails which you can use when you're mounting it anywhere you would like. You see, it works on an open space. They see how you can connect it in anywhere you would like. So this is the main part which we have made this video. After opening this, there is a small side. You can see that small hole, like besides the PoE port, there is a small pin, like very small. You have to be so keen to see it. And when it's receiving power and connected to the PC when you're configuring it, and you would like to reset it, it lights green. That means it's stable. But the moment you would like to reset it, you put and press and hold that pin to that hole and wait for it to blink 2 times. You see, it's blinking yellow green yellow green. Then when it comes back, see, it has now stabilized, it's now reset. Then you put other configurations very well so that you can do what you want to this access point. like if you had forgotten the password, if it's not working very well, such a stuff can make you to reset this access point. That's what you would like to know. Always watch video till the end so that you can get basic information for those who would like to learn how to do this internet business from scratch. Thank you.